Please watch to the end. Comment and respond to other people's comments.
She is accused of sideswiping another driver, pulling out a gun, and then shooting that driver, all while pregnant.
And this afternoon, we have confirmed that Brittnay Daniels is scheduled to appear in court tomorrow for her alleged role in a road rage shooting in North Houston on Friday.
Daniels was supposed to appear today. Channel 2's Taisha Walker reports from downtown Houston with the latest information on this case.
Andy and Christine, Brittnay Daniels was expected to appear in court today, but her court appearance has been reset till tomorrow. The 24-year-old expectant mother was in court over the weekend where she learned about her charges. Daniels is facing aggravated assault causing serious bodily injury to a child under 15 and tampering or fabricating physical evidence. Harris County deputies spoke with the other driver, who says the pregnant mother cut her off Friday on Rankin Road near the North Freeway. Deputies say Daniels first pointed a gun at the other woman, causing her to fear for her life. While they both were at a red light, prosecutors say Daniels allegedly admitted that she got out of her vehicle, fired her gun at the other woman's car at least 3 times.
She stated that she did admit to exiting her car from the passenger seat and shooting at the rear of the complainant's vehicle several times. She did confirm that the gun she used was thrown into the water-filled ditch.
The other woman was hit by one of the bullets, causing her to crash into a ditch. Inside of that vehicle, a child. In court, we also learned that Brittnay is pregnant with her first child and is currently unemployed. She does have one violent offense from 2018 on her record. Right now, Brittnay Daniels is sitting in jail in Harris County, expected to go back before a judge tomorrow. From downtown, Taisha Walker, KPRC, Channel 2 News.
Found a gun, and it was loud.
5-year-old Talia Williams describing the moments when a pregnant woman started shooting at her family's car on Friday.
I mean, you have to hear it from a 5-year-old. Oh my God. That, yeah.
Harris County deputies say the road rage incident started near JFK and Beltway 8. A pregnant woman in a gray Jeep started arguing with Talia's mom, who was driving the red sedan.
They sped up and caught back up with them, and that's when they overheard the driver, whoever the guy was, telling the girl to shoot the gun. You know, so she brandished the gun first, and then she started shooting.
This video surfacing showing the expecting mother pulling out the gun. We are not showing her face until the legal process plays out. Deputies say shortly after, the woman shot at the vehicle several times.
I pray for my mama.
Talia's mom was shot in the back and her cousin grazed by a bullet. Both are now back at home recovering.
I love my mama.
The family thankful that Talia was not hurt and wants to take this case to court.
And at this point, we have an attorney, and we plan to make sure she gets the exact amount of time she deserves.